plant where the place where that is planted, there will be no earthquake there.
Okay.
So the kadamba is that kind of thing.
Okay.
And very auspicious trees have been planted over here.
And
yeah, badami. It is called as a kadu badami. Kadu badami.
Nearly.
I think we came here around 8 to 9 people from the team.
You are from which place, sir?
So we are from Bangalore. All different parts of the Bangalore.
आप कहाँ से?
हम यलहंका से हैं.
You are in
Yelahanka.
Jeevanmukthi Team.
Jeevanmukthi Team. So we just spread across Bangalore. We are around 8 to 9 people who are represented here.
How
And
do
even
you- how
kids
do
are
you-
also there. Even kids also have come.
I saw that.
here
Kids
to,
are there. Yeah. How do you take the trees from where you are collecting? How you are doing it?
So it is. I think it has been planned by Rupa ma'am. I think not in a single place we're going to get it. It's very difficult to get from a single place. So it is purely planned by Rupa ma'am.
I'm really happy that you have come here and you are giving all these plant social services just to cool the mother earth. You are doing a nice work, and we from Green Circle are very thankful to you.
I think all the credit goes to Rupa ma'am and the Jeevanmukthi team.
So nice. I will be in touch with them. We are having a lot of plantation work. We want to take your services. Very committed people. I thought from morning you people are all very working hard. So nice of you. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, sir. Thanks.
Invincible.